Well, tonight we have new information concerning the cleanup that's already underway around that collapsed Big Sioux River train bridge. It sits between Sioux City and North Sioux City. Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railroad telling us that tree clearing started this week and adding that they're working with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers on plans to remove the bridge debris from the river. The company mentions that they're still working toward recovering that bridge span, something expected to take several weeks. Plans for future options of a new structure are still being looked at. As flood cleanup continues, many are now looking to the future and preparations should high water surface once again. Navigating that process can be a big challenge, especially when it comes to flood insurance. And KCAU-9 reporter Tyler Euchner joins me here in the studio tonight with options that folks can look toward when considering that flood insurance. Tyler?
That's right, Tim. There are a variety of insurance options for folks to choose from that can help homeowners save from the future flooding situations. But there are some key differences that you should know about.
A typical homeowner's policy actually does not cover damages as a result of overland flooding. The only way to get coverage for flood damages is through a flood insurance policy, either through the National Flood Insurance Program, or there are several private companies that now offer privately backed flood insurance.
While just about anyone can apply to private companies for their flood insurance, the National Flood Insurance Program has a few requirements.
To be able to purchase flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program, you have to reside within a community that participates in the National Flood Insurance Program. So for instance, Sioux City participates as its own entity, and then Woodbury County participates as its own entity. Anybody that resides in the unincorporated portions of Woodbury County is able to purchase flood insurance.
According to FEMA, you can apply to the NFIP and some private insurance companies even after your home's been damaged, with roughly a 30-day waiting period. Experts say it's a smart choice for present and future flooding situations.
Flood insurance coverage is always recommended, particularly if you live within the special flood hazard area or within the 0.2% annual chance floodplain, which is considered the 500-year floodplain. Again, because a homeowner policy doesn't cover any flood damages. Only flood insurance policies cover flood damages.
If you're unsure whether or not your home is in a floodplain, Dan Priestley, the Woodbury County Zoning Coordinator, recommends folks reach out to their city officials.
I cannot emphasize enough for property owners to carefully look for and contact us if you're unsure about the layout of the floodplain. We would be happy to point you to the maps as far as if the property is in or out of the floodplain.
Now, Con recommends reaching out to your home insurance agency to see if they cover flooding, as well as applying for the National Flood Insurance Program.
Pretty much important information for a lot of people.
Oh, absolutely, Tim.
All right, Tyler. Thank you for that.